Today, I'm going to show you how to easily remove a WhatsApp channel from your iPhone. Whether you're looking to declutter your channels or just want to leave a specific one, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed yet, you can grab from App Store. Now look for Channels tab and tap on it to view all your channels. Now scroll through your channels and find the one you want to remove. Once you find it, tap on the channel to open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see the channel name. Tap on it to access the channel information. Scroll down to find the Leave Channel option. Tap on it and confirm your choice when prompted, and just like that, you've left the channel. To make sure it's gone, return to your channel list. You'll see that the channel is no longer there. And that's it, you've successfully removed a WhatsApp channel from your iPhone.